Each spring, I have to buy a new butterfly bush because they never survive the winter. I do not mulch it because I have watched several care videos that say not to mulch it because they don't like moisture in the winter. What should I do to help it make it through this upcoming winter? This is Kara from Natchez, Mississippi. So how about that? So butterfly bush, but it never survived the winter. And we're talking about Natchez, Mississippi.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Well, I wasn't familiar with the zones, the plant hardiness zones of a butterfly bush. And I was a little surprised that from what I read, it's hardy all the way to zone 5, which is cold.
Yes.
And Natchez, all the way from 5 to 9. Okay, and Natchez is 8B, I think I looked up. And so it's not a matter of cold that kills it, because it should be fine. It could be that it's on the southern range, and it could be the heat and overwatering. You know, maybe she has it in a low wet place. And she's right about it not being wet. They don't like wet feet, like, you know, most plants, unless they're a plant that's, you know, made for that. But I don't know. I would suggest maybe she move it to another place and try that.
Okay. What do you think, Mr. D?
I agree. I can't figure it out. It ought to come back
weird,
out in the springtime. Hopefully she's waiting long enough, giving it time to come out in the springtime.
Because they are slow to leaf out, but then, you know, in Natchez, it may not even lose its leaves totally.
Yeah, totally right.
Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe she just needs to move the thing.
Yeah.
Or if it's dead, you know.
Right.
Go get another one.
Yeah, you have to get another one in that case. That's for sure. And the thing about the mulch is this. You know, of course, I would still mulch. You know, I know she said she watched the videos, but I'll still, you know.
Yeah, if she gets it in the right place, it wouldn't hurt to mulch it, because mulch is always good as long as you don't like cake it up around the trunk and the crown of things.
Especially for the winter.
Oh yeah,
So it's a blanket for the roots.
Moderates the temperature changes.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.